Spin that joint. Yeah, that's dope right there. That was nasty.
I be all on the grind, so I ain't really got time. I be all about my peso. My chick on the other line, she keep on calling my phone, wondering when I'm gonna come home. Shawty, I'm coming home. I be all on the grind, so I ain't really got time. I be all about my peso. All about that cake, man. I'm tryna get rich. Shout out to my niggas, they be all about the fix, nigga.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy TuneChee, man, back at y'all again with another video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Click that notification bell, man. Make sure y'all click all, man. Make sure y'all join the family, man. Right now, we on the way, y'all, man. We on the way to 5K, y'all. We almost there. So what I need y'all to do, everybody that's browsing, man, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of time to subscribe. Did you subscribe yet? Wait. Anyway, let's get it. Let's go, man. We got a daily vlog today, man. I'm about to go get me something to eat because y'all already know I like to smash. I like to eat. So I'm about to go grab something to eat, man. All this snow is on my truck. Y'all already know, man. I got big snow out here. And I'm about to go get me a watch because Delta Sonic just charged me for a watch. So y'all already know I don't care about it snowing on the ground. Y'all already know, man. Look. Hey, I'm getting my money's worth. So I guess it just snowed the other night, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, we gonna see what today brings y'all. So, y'all stay tuned. Hey, yo, my dog said what's good. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, man, I'm trying to hook my damn phone up. Motherfucker ain't hooking up. Trying to bump that little baby shit. You already know, man. Look, hey. Shout out to everybody rocking with me, man. Everybody, whole gang. Can't wait till the summertime because it's about to be lit. It's about to be lit. All right, for real. No cap. No cap. I'm trying to see. My goddamn phone ain't hooking up. Damn. Damn phone is not hooking up to the Bluetooth, y'all. It's crazy. Hold on. Who is this calling me? Hey. What you trying to be on the vlog? You trying to be on the vlog, fam?
What'd you say?
I say I'm vlogging right now. I'll say I'm vlogging right now. Alright. What up, gang?
What's up, YouTube?
I'm dead.
Like, share, subscribe. What else? Like, share, subscribe to 1D. No.
Look, you don't even know my YouTube name, man. Damn. You a whole up out here, boy.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro. Anyway, y'all. I don't know why my phone ain't hooking up to the freaking Bluetooth. Like the calls and everything going through, but the audio ain't working. Audio is not working. The phone hooked up, but the audio not working. So I'm gonna have to figure out what the hell is going on. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to let me eat this food real quick. So I don't know what they doing over there. Let me eat this food real quick, y'all, and we about to be back. Stay tuned.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro.
Like do exercise, so we get through the night.
5 minutes later.
Finally got the radio to work, man, y'all. I don't know, man, this thing was tweaking, but I be auto starting the car, and sometimes the freaking Bluetooth be trying to read, and my phone don't be up in here, so the damn Bluetooth be tweaking. So y'all see it, man. I'm up here at Delta Sonic. They about to ice me out. About to ice me up and whatever, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my dog up here at Delta Sonic, man. But yeah, man, they just charged me a fee. So I don't care about it snowing. I don't care about none of that, man. Look, we finna get a wash. Let me see, man. Y'all think he got me right, man? Let's check you out. Oh yeah, boy got me iced out. It's about to start raining and stuff again, man. We out here though. Woo! Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Woo! Definitely got me clean today, y'all. Yes, sir. Hey, what's your Instagram, bro? Shout your Instagram out.
Forever Titan.
Huh?
Forever.Titan.
Alright, y'all heard it. Forever.Titan. What you do, tats?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up, man. I got you on the cash out too. Let me put this camera up. Appreciate you too, dog. Yeah. We gonna cash out my dollar. Make sure y'all, man, follow him on Instagram, man. Let me know what y'all think about the whip, man. He got me iced out. So, y'all stay tuned, man. We just pulled up at the shop. Y'all in the area of Harvey, make sure y'all, this is my uncle and them shop, man. They've been in the business for some years. I think since I was like 13, 31 now, y'all. Y'all here, Brown Brothers Automotive, complete auto service. Look at this truck, they got dirty again. I don't know if y'all can see it on the west line. Yo! Yo! Y'all got a laundromat? What up, Zoe? Where you at, man? You out back to hide, man? What up with it? What's going on, man? Out here getting the daily vlog on. Yeah, what you got going on? We got a motor? The motor going out? Oh. Wee. Damn. Yeah, man. This Unc Joe, y'all. This Unc right here. How long the shop been up?
We've been at 20 years.
20 years. Woo! 20 years, y'all. So yeah, man, y'all need any work done? You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know. The place is on Halsted in Harvey. So make sure y'all get in tune with that. See what's going on the other side. Woo. What'd you say was going on with this, huh? What'd you say was going on with this? Oh, the radio. Where your phone at? Yeah, that's the phone. You want me to answer it? Huh? Get it? 708.
Yeah. You playing around, bro.
Yo. Say you playing around. You gotta put the password in there.
Oh, it's fucking fun, man.
You still got that? Damn, what iPhone you got? Damn.
Old ass phone.
That's what that, an iPhone 5?
Yep.
Damn, let's check you. Let me see. That one's still working.
Yeah.
Hey, man, I'm the same way, man. As long as that phone working, man, that's all that matters, man. All right, Unc, I'm finna get on up out of here. My homie outside. All right. All right, love you too, Unc. Yes, sir. Woo. Nigga. Woo. Y'all already see it, man. We back in action, about to get another wash because the truck is dirty. My truck is dirty. What's good? We got Monty just pulled up. What's the word?
Right there,
What's good with it, dog? What's the word, man? Yeah. Yeah, shit. I just. Yeah, man. I just washed it, but you know, I was playing in the snow.
That's the point. This big boy right here, that's what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
To the four-wheel.
Yes, sir. Got that four-wheel driving auto mode. Yeah, check it out. You open the door. Yeah, got the. Oh yeah, I got it. Matter of fact, let me grab this real quick. Got that big screen in there. Yeah. I still don't know, y'all. I still don't know. I don't know if this thing just roll back. Hey, you know how to do this, bro? I don't know if this thing roll back. I don't know how that works, but I never. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, because it was rolled forward at first and they rolled it back for me. So, yeah. Yes, sir. Clean that backup camera off. I'm gonna throw this in the garbage. Boy, you hunking that, boy? You hunking that, boy?
5 minutes later.
My dog done slept at the green light. Yeah, yup. Yup. My dog, hey, he went. My man sitting at the light. What's up, Wine? Yeah, I finally got one. Huh? Shoot, man. About 17, about what, 20, 28?
2000 what?
This is 17, 2017.
28,000?
Yeah. I got to pull my car for the car show. Go to, yeah. Nah. Oh, yeah, nah. Yeah, that's what I'm on. That type of action right there. I'm on this type of move right there. Yes, sir. Try to give me a trailer. Huh? Huh? Oh, man, we got to slide to the shop, man. We got, you know what I'm saying? About to slide. Yeah, man, Al, seeing this dog. Hey, we finna pull up on you, brother. So, about to slide on your dog. And it's crazy weather. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all stay tuned, man. Yep. Hey, man, you let me drive the UPS truck?
Oh, people doing that though, still. I'm seeing what you want.
Hey, you let me drive the UPS truck? Man, if I gave you 500 right now, you let me drive the truck? Alright, bro.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright,
bro. Y'all see it, man. Live vlogs on deck, daily vlogs on deck. Y'all know what time it is. Yeah, D. Hey, I forgot to tell you, man. I know you probably watching this video. I just left the shop. My bad, dog. I tore that bathroom up. That motherfucker look good. What up, boy?
Man, it's ugly.
What's good? Hey, that mug look good. That mug look good. What's good?
Good smack. What up, bro?
Shit, chilling, man. Chilling. I didn't even know you was up here. Yeah. Check it out. All the off-road?
Off-road TuneChee, man. DJ on factories over here.
Check him out. Oh yeah, I went like that? What did he
Sold.
Oh, he sold it.
Yeah. Off-road TuneChee.
Say off-road TuneChee. This mug look good.
Right.
Damn.
The remix on the Continental.
Oh my. Man, let me know what y'all think about this, man. Dude. What Al over there doing? What are you on here? Man. Ooh-wee. Said spin that joint. Spin that joint. Spin that joint. Yeah, that's dope right there. That was nasty. Man, let me know what y'all think about this, man. I mean, a body style just looks so exotic on there, man. What up, Al?
Buy yourself a ramp?
Yeah.
There you go.
Appreciate it, man. See what CJ got going on, man. It's first time y'all seeing it on the channel with the new 4Gs on there. The new damn, my damn battery about to die. Let's check him out.
Look at Al, he's taking enough.
Slide. Al over there. Check him out. Woo. Yes, sir. I'm about to look. I'm about to go grab me another battery, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all check these off-road wheels out, man. I'm thinking like a machine brush look or whatever. Something like this, like.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah.
See these dope right here. These dope. Man, y'all look. It's called like a Bentley, y'all. I don't know what it is about the style of the car. Like, man. Motherfucker sitting up there, bub. Definitely sitting up there. Look at that, man. You pop the buttons, man, to pop that thing open, man. That's presidential right there. That's crazy.
Yeah, this thing's pretty quick too. It's a V6 twin turbo one.
You see the doors that pop open?
That's a cool mess.
That's crazy. That's dope right there. The mirrors fold in. Man, check this out, man. How y'all open the doors right here. I like this part right here.
Yeah,
that's dope right there.
so elegant. So elegant.
You got a lawsuit, Jay. Man, what up, man? Where you been at?
Been at home chilling, man.
Chilling?
You know.
Man, how you like this Lincoln, man? This small. Man, you see how you open the doors, bro? They got the poppers right here to pop the open the doors. Yeah. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's check out under this.
See that right here? So
yeah.
So you can squeeze in this to open or whatever. I thought you probably.
Yeah, I think you do press. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Press the button. Uh-oh, let me make sure hit the button again. Hold on. There we go, it's unlocked. That's dope right there, man. You press the button. It's got the turbos in there. It's real nice, man. Yeah, I see, man. We up here chilling with the gang on this cold ass day, boy. It's cold in the motherfucker. Look at all this snow on the ground. We about to get on up out of here, y'all. Woo! About to end this video, chop it up with the gang. Why it's cold? Because it is raining. I don't know what it's doing. Snowing, raining, rain, snowing, whatever you call it. But about to end this video, man. So, yeah. I know y'all wanted to see me with the gang, man. Look, man. Let me tell y'all something. Be having stuff going on, man. You know what I'm saying? I be doing my own thing, you know? Ain't nobody beefing, none of that. So, y'all, look. Everybody they just doing their own thing. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all gotta understand that, you know. So, yeah, man. But right now, man, we definitely about to end this video, about to chop it up, about to eat. I already know I just ate, about to eat again. So, alright, y'all, man. Checking out with another video. Perfect.